Today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Hisense TV if it's turning on and off by itself. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, here wait for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not cleared the problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 2. This is last thing, usually will do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. To look around your Hisense TV, see if you can find this little hole. It's usually labeled reset. I'm going to show you how to use this reset feature. Usually recommend bending a paper clip, push the button down for about 15 seconds until you see the TV reset. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.